Hey everybody, Mark Stepp here from Workflow Secrets. Wanted to share a quick win that I have for people that use System Accelerator Manager, SAM, that uses AI. And it was just kind of a quick win. Technically, we use in the background ChatGPT, but using it to help automate what agents do. So a routine is just that a like a workflow, but it is something that is more succinct to a particular field. In this case, maybe I want to do a first time home buyer lead nurture routine, and it's for my contact database. I'm going to come over here to the new lead date. So if the new lead date gets filled in, we get a new lead, we add a date to when it came in, then this routine would kick off automatically if we have it set to active here. The question is what do I want to put into this? And ultimately, that's what you as an agent can determine what you want in your own lead nurture or your new listing process or whatever. You can specify what those are. And now with AI, you can really make these things, these routines in our case, very easy to create. So I'm going to create one here. I'm just going to put in an objective. Now, objective is just the instructions for how I want to create this. Create a lead nurture campaign for first-time home buyers. I want to send an email or an SMS each day for a total of 6 messages. Messages can include important things for first-time home buyers that they need to know, frequently asked questions, common pitfalls, and such, which will help the first-time home buyers navigate the home buying process. Yeah, that's, very, I don't want to say very basic. You could go in there and specifically say, these are the steps I want, step one, step two, step three. But I'm just putting in a quick sentence and I want to click on generate. So what this does is this uses ChatGPT. It uses a prompt that we say, okay, make a plan for this. And then it goes through and it starts building that plan based off of what it came up with as a lead nurture process. And it's calculating the number of days and putting those into the steps. Then, once it's through each of the different steps, it starts saying, oh, hey, we need to also send emails. So let's create some templates for those particular steps on what they need to do. So it's building not only the step-by-step process, but also the individual messages that go into that process. So I'm just going to let this go through. You will see that it says like right now 14 of 25, 18 of 25. Each step, because it has multiple sub steps, it's going through and building different things at different points. So then it finally says it's complete. So now, just out of that one sentence, we've been able to say, okay, here is the routine. Day one, it says 1 day after the lead date, 2 days after, 3 days. So, each of the days, just like I had asked, it's created that one. If I come into the welcome side of this, you'll see that it's created the mathematics. If I start this on a certain day, when will this actually take place? And you can come in here and make whatever changes to them that you may want. With the software, with SAM, we do have the ability to set up these actions. So you can have as many actions as you want on a particular routine. It just creates an activity in your calendar, and then you can do automations. In this case, we're just doing one automation, which is to send the welcome message. If I click on that, you can see some of the details. The action type is just that it is going to send a message, and here's, welcome to Workflow Secrets. So I click on that, and here, because we're using a demo account that has Workflow Secrets as the name of the real estate company. It is putting that in there. But you'll notice that not only did it create the plan, but it also created the information that goes into it, including the merge fields and the content and everything. So you can go through and based off of having detailed information about yourself, your team, whatever, it can build this information for you. So there's the first letter, the first or email that goes out. There is other options here, closing and moving in, navigating offers and negotiations. Just see what this says. Making an offer on a home. Dear, are you ready to make an offer? Just kind of takes you through that process. So in a matter of less than, I mean, it was probably right at a minute. It went through, it created the plan, it created the action steps, it created the templates all in that 1 minute. How long, would that normally take you to build? If I was to do this manually myself, doing these, you could probably throw them out pretty quickly, maybe an hour to knock out all of them because you've got to create the letter, think about what you want in the letter or the email, the SMS, whatever. So this is just one of the ways that we're using AI in our business to help real estate agents in their business. And just wanted to share that as a kind of a how-to and show off one of the new features. So hope this was informative. If there's anything that you guys would like to know more about that, certainly reach out. I'm here to answer whatever questions. Have a great day.